What's up? My name is Jessica of Miss More Style. I'm here to do a really fun video with you all. So I got a very exciting package in the mail. I literally have just been like bumming around all day running errands, but I like threw some makeup on at, what is it now? Almost 8 p.m. at night to film this unboxing because I am a child when it comes to getting packages. I cannot just let a package sit there, and I wanted to film this unboxing. I got a really beautiful new handbag from a brand called Teddy Blake. If you guys aren't familiar with Teddy Blake, it is like an affordable luxury handbag brand. And I'm so excited to share this brand with you all if you're not familiar with them. So if you want to see the amazing bag that I got from Teddy Blake, then just keep on watching. Well, welcome back to my channel, my lovely returning subscribers. And if you are new, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica. I make videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel, but like budget-friendly beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and travel. And so this is going to be super exciting because it is, like I said, an affordable luxury brand. So if you're into all those things that I just mentioned, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and ding the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And while you're at it, make sure to go find me over on Instagram, where I share a lot more fashion and travel content, as well as like behind the scenes of my daily life. I'm going to get into this unboxing. Again, like I said, Teddy Blake reached out to me to offer me one of their bags of my choice. Thank you so much to Teddy Blake for sending me one of your beautiful bags. This video is not sponsored, but Teddy Blake did send me this bag, so I just wanted to let you all know. I will put links in the description box so you guys can check this bag out, as well as their other handbags that they have on their website. So I first was introduced to Teddy Blake when they reached out to me. I kind of looked them up, looked around their site. Their handbags are so beautiful. Like when I tell you, like they look so like high-end and like designer-esque. A lot of them really like evoke Hermes to me. They have that similar shape and vibe, but like all of their styles are very on trend, and they very much are just, they look so chic and classic. They're definitely handbags that you will have for years to come. They're all made of leather. They're handcrafted in Italy in some of the same warehouses that designer handbags are made in. And so basically their bags range from about like $250 to like $400, something like that. But if you go on their website, you'll see like, I don't know if they're having like a sale right now, if it's always this way, but like most of their bags are in like the $250 to the like $450, somewhat like that range. But you'll see like everything is 40% off, at least right now when I'm filming this video. So normally I guess the bags are like around $700. I don't know if they're just always 40% off and that's like their like sort of gimmick to be like, hey, like these are designer luxury quality bags, but you're getting it for less. When they do a little breakdown on their website, which I thought was really interesting, they show you a comparison, and I'll put it right here. They show you like a comparison of like what it costs to get like good leather to make a handbag. And so like their brand and designer brands are about the same price. And then like the manufacturing of it, like it's about the same. But then they show you that with designers, their branding and their like marketing really is what jacks up the price of those bags. Because when you get like Gucci and Chanel and Hermes, those bags, like you're really actually paying for the name brand on that bag. You're not really paying necessarily for like the materials it was used for, even though the materials are very high quality. So that's where Teddy Blake is quite a bit cheaper, because it's not like one of these massive like designer houses, but you're still getting beautiful handmade quality bag that is luxurious, but it's at an attainable price. I think I've gone on about this enough. I hope that was enough information so you guys kind of get a feel for who and what Teddy Blake is, because I am fairly new to their brand. But when I tell you I want all their bags, I'm telling you I want all their bags. Let's look at the bag that I got. Let's cut her open, shall we? They take this pretty good. I want to break a nail, but I'm excited. Jeez Louise. One side, either I'm weak as hell today or this box is, all right, we're in. So I'm pretty sure this is an epic fail because I think I opened it from the bottom of the box. So I'm just gonna flip this over. Ah, yes. This is what they want you to see when you open that box up. So you get this beautiful big box, very similar to how you would get if you got a designer bag, just beautiful packaging. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. And they've got this nice paper in here. And here we are. Here is the bag. They've got it wrapped in plastic as well as bubble wrap, fully protected. Oh, I can already smell the leather through the dust bag. So here is the little dust bag it comes in. Oh, y'all. Look at this bag. First of all, how stunning is this blue color? It is so pretty. This is like the Pantone color of the year. I really wanted to get the blue bag. This is the Kate Vitello 12-inch in the royal blue. It's this beautiful, gorgeous leather that's had a really nice shine to it and has these lovely little details. See what I mean when I like this kind of like reminded me of like a Birkin style or like an Hermes style, but obviously it's not. So you can see it's got that envelope sort of style on the bottom. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. So they send a crossbody strap, obviously. Set that to the side. Got all this paper in here to make sure it like kind of holds its shape. Wow, the inside is really, really beautiful. So here's the inside. It's like a suede, like a royal blue suede, and it's got a zipper here and a zipper also on the other side. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. And I just want you all to see, it says Teddy Blake right there on the lining. And then you can see right here on the bottom, it says Teddy Blake, New York. Oh, you guys, do you die. I'm in love with this. This is such a classic shape. And this blue is so stunning. I feel like it's going to look so amazing with so many outfits. And I know that I'll be carrying this bag for many years. It's just such a beautiful quality piece. You can really see the workmanship that went into it. Oh, the leather is so nice too. Oh my God. It's so, so beautiful. Hey. Oh, hey. So chic. Okay, let's see if I attach the crossbody. And I like that it's kind of a shorter crossbody. Sometimes like when they give you crossbodies that are like way too long, especially for such a like substantially sized bag, it looks awkward. Hardware is really nice, I have to say, on the strap. And it is adjustable right here, so you could adjust the strap to be a little bit, like quite a bit longer if you wanted to. But I think that's actually a great length for wearing it like that. And then I could always put it over and wear it this way. Let's say if I was like running around and I wanted to be hands-free. So beautiful. Oh my God. All right. I'm just going to go stare at this for a little bit longer. I'm in love. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know down below if you've ever heard of Teddy Blake before, or if this is like your first introduction to the brand. Literally so obsessed. Make sure also to check my description box because I'll have a link to a blog post where I style this with an outfit. So if you want to check that out, just go down and I'll have that linked below for you. But oh my God, so beautiful, right? Looking to see if there's anything else in here. Don't think there is. Oh wait, I almost forgot. It comes with a little lock too. I knew that it did. Yes. Okay, so it has one of these things also, which really makes it have the vibe of the Hermes look. Let me just attach this. On the lock it says Teddy Blake, New York. And then this should have a little key. Yes, this has little keys inside of it. So you can see the little gold keys that unlock it. Oh, I'm just wondering how this works. Then it just dangles like that. Ah, it's so cute. Well, thank you so much to Teddy Blake for spoiling me with one of your beautiful bags. I'm so excited to wear it and style it with so many different outfits. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm and whatnot, and also helps me to know you all enjoy content like this. And if you didn't do so already, hit that red subscribe button and join my YouTube fam. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!